case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1983, a case that tested the contours of the defense of property and Sixth Amendment rights was brought before the Iowa Supreme Court. This case, State v. Nelson, had at its core a troubled family dynamic and accusations of theft and false imprisonment. Following the theft of guns and money from his room, defendant Gregory Irvin Nelson, aided by his sister Georgia Stigler, allegedly falsely imprisoned Georgia's husband Reuben. Nelson, suspecting Reuben of the theft, had threatened to alert the police if the items were not promptly returned. When Reuben and his friend Russell Hill brought back some of the stolen goods, they were held at gunpoint over an extended period. In court, Nelson appealed his conviction, citing multiple alleged flaws in the proceedings. He claimed that his Sixth Amendment right had been violated because his co-defendant's written confession was admitted into evidence and that he had received ineffective assistance from his counsel. He also argued that the court erred in refusing to instruct the jury on the defense of property justification. However, the court ultimately ruled against Nelson. It held that his confrontation claim was not adequately preserved during the trial, as the specific basis for the objection must have been elucidated. Therefore, the admission of Georgia's statement was not erroneous. The court also justified their refusal of the defendant's request for a justification defense of property. They stressed that justification defenses, including self-defense and defense of property, require the presence of the perpetrator committing the illegal act. In terms of Nelson's claim of ineffective counsel, the court specified that this must be addressed in post-conviction proceedings, a stage that Nelson did not reach due to his failure to request a limited remand during the appeal. In the end, Nelson's appeal was denied, and his original conviction for false imprisonment was upheld by the court.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.